Hey everyone, now we are going to unbox these four parcels. All four are RTO, that is return to origin. So let's start from this. Actually, this four parcels contain almost more than 1,000 rupees worth of collections, but our bad luck, it all came returned. So here we see inside. So let's quickly open this. So inside we have some 1 rupee and 2 rupee notes. You can see these all not much difference. And in this pouch we have like 3 coins. You can see 75 years of Dandi March and at UNC 20 paise coin, UN good UNC condition, and a scarce 1 rupee coin of India. Okay, so let's open another parcel. So let's open this. Okay, inside we got the package. So let's open this also. So inside we have a 5 rupee banknote. Okay, so this is the banknote itself. Nothing more. This is a small order. So let's check the third parcel. The third one. So I am opening it. So okay, here we have the package. So let's open. Okay, here we go. We have some packaging here. So let's quickly open that. Here we have the package. So let's open this also. So let's check what we have inside. We have some foreign currencies over here. This is a Burma currency, and we have one Qatar note, and Uzbekistan, and next Nigeria, and next Bhutan, and Lebanon, and one from Ukraine, and Indian currency of 2 rupee. So technically we have some currency collections for this order. So let's keep this aside. And here we go the last parcel. This is the final one. So let's quickly open, and let's open the tape. Inside we have a coin, I think so. So let's open that. Okay, here we have the coin. This is a UNC condition coin. You can see clearly 1982 1 rupee UNC condition. So that's all for this video for now. Totally we have four parcels which had one rupee and few foreign and one Indian currency, one 5 rupee note, and few coins and few currencies. So these are the four parcels which came back, I mean returned to our office. So that's all for the video. Hit the like button.